Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for being here tonight. We are Fable Appliances. My name is Adrienne, and this is Maddie. And our third team member is Erin. Unfortunately, she could not be here. As was mentioned, she's stuck in Atlanta. So 3 months ago, we placed first out of 90 teams at SCAD Startup, our university's week-long innovation competition. And during that week, we found that by 2050, Earth's population will reach 10 billion people. That's right. And in order to account for that population increase, we need to increase our food production by 70%. But at this moment in time, we only have 60 years of farmable soil left.
So we created a product that will change the way consumers look at the source of their produce. If we can't look to conventional agriculture to increase food production, why not do it ourselves in our own homes? So we went out and we talked with our community, and we discovered pain points, and we figured out that our target community is middle-class households of 2 to 5. They want their families to eat more fruits and vegetables because, they want to provide the best food for their children as possible. But there are barriers in the way. Fresh produce is expensive, especially when it's organic. And when it's not organic, parents worry about the pesticides and preservatives they're feeding their children. And they don't have the time to garden at home either. We discovered our niche, providing access to fresh and nutritious produce while saving our customers money and time.
So we took a look at the food industry, and we found that the 20th century was riddled with mass market food trends like TV dinners, farms becoming factories, and just a lot of junk food, high fructose corn syrup, things like that. But with the turn of the century, you see a shift towards healthy eating, the revival of farmers markets, and vegetarianism. And so since people are really interested in learning where their food comes from, we want to know, why isn't home gardening more popular?
When we looked at our competitors, we discovered a gap in the market. There isn't an affordable appliance that grows fruits and vegetables that is also size conscious and fits comfortably in the average home. Current systems are either open air, which means they are prone to pests and not climate controlled, therefore requiring more work and attention, or they take an obscene amount of space and are very expensive. So the average customer doesn't have the time, space, or money for these systems. Our product, the Fable Refrigerator, is a farm, fridge, and freezer appliance that, despite its extra compartment, is still the same size as your average refrigerator, 36 inches wide. That extra compartment, called the grow cell, is a vertical hydroponic farm housed in a vertical pull-out drawer. The grow cell is a climate-controlled, self-sustaining environment that allows you to grow your own fruits and vegetables 5 feet from your table, regardless of season or location. It replaces the need to buy fruits and vegetables that can be grown hydroponically, such as herbs, lettuce, microgreens, tomatoes, berries, and so much more.
So as you can see here, we were working with a fridge, freezer, and a grow cell, which is a hydroponic farm. But let's look a little bit closer at the grow cell technology. So the grow cell, at the top half, you have a nutrient film technique for lightweight produce. At the bottom half, it is the wick system for heavyweight produce. The grow cell utilizes the fridge's air circulation system as well as its water and electrical hookups. And there are several benefits to hydroponics if y'all aren't familiar. First of all, there's no soil. So that eliminates the risk of soil diseases and water waste, drainage, runoff pollution, things like that. You also have plants growing faster in this system because their needs are being perfectly met.
Fable also offers supplemental subscriptions. Every 3 months, users must replace the nutrient filter that adds nutrients to the water in the hydroponic system. The Fable Refrigerator can also be customized to users' unique dietary needs. Whenever they want to change out the plants they are growing in their fridge, they can order plant tray replacements. The plant trays in the grow cell are also rearrangeable, making crop yield personalized to each and every user.
So I bet you're wondering, how much is all this going to cost? Fable will be marketed at retail price for $3,000, And when we surveyed our target market, we found that they were spending $46 a week on fresh fruits and vegetables, or $2,392 per year. Let's just assume that the average customer is going to spend $700 per year on large fruits or root vegetables that cannot be grown hydroponically. When you account for the $60 per year nutrient refill subscription, and also $140 per year for water and electricity, that means the Fable appliance would actually pay for itself within 3 years. So instead of spending $5,076, you would actually be paying $3,612. In a 5 years period, instead of spending $8,460, you would be spending $4,020. And in 10 years, instead of paying $16,920, you would only be paying $5,040.
In the last 3 months, we've launched our website, built a low-fidelity prototype, met with business and industry professionals, and participated in a business incubator. We've come a long way, but we recognize that we still have an even longer, tougher journey ahead of us. Our current goal is to acquire funding so that we can create a high-fidelity prototype for user testing, conduct research to streamline our technology, and add more talent to our team.
We are dedicated to normalizing home gardening indoors, and we'll do this by offering an appliance that is affordable, space conscious, and allows any household to grow a variety of nutrient-rich and truly organic produce in any season or location.
And hopefully by 2050, we've revolutionized the agricultural industry by giving every human on Earth the agency to grow their own food in their own homes, both knowledgeably and sustainably, shortening the distance from farm to table. Fable.